Hello guys, good day and welcome back to our video. So my name is Brent Paul Macasilhig and I'm your host for this video for the Robotics 2 Module 4 Assessment 1. So the problem for this assessment is tone melody. The project will use a piezo buzzer or speaker to play a little melody. So the parts needed are the following: one Arduino Uno, one USB A to B cable, one breadboard, one piezo buzzer or speaker, and then jumper wires. So no time to waste. Let's go on to the Tinkercad. So I've already prepared the materials. There's Arduino Uno, the breadboard, and the piezo. So there's no for the ohms or stuff right here. It only requires the name. So as you can see, the piezo has positive and negative terminals. So we're gonna use that for us to plot here. Okay. So let's start by doing that here. Okay, first I remember. Let's connect the GND. Oh, so remember guys, we can also use the GND from here, like connecting that here. But any of the two will do. So for the power, okay, I guess this will do. Change the color to red. So we already have the positive and negative terminals. So this one is the positive. So for the positive, we'll connect it to one of the um, pins here. So I guess it's more convenient if I switch the side. I will symmetrically switch the side here. So you switch the mirror component. There we go. Negative for the left side and positive for the right side. So I shall connect the positive to this number 8. Okay, that should do it. And change the color to, can do green. Then for the negative, we'll connect it to the negative terminal. Change that to black. After that, okay, I think this is good. So let's move on to coding. Mm, that's we should do it. So for the coding, okay, there's no code above, so let's move on. Void setup. Then we have the pin mode. What number is it? 8. Then output. Then close and then void loop. We shall have that. Then I shall change this one. Oh, wait. I shall change this one to tone. Also for this one, tone. Then we shall have, I guess, 8. 8 for the pin. For the delay, I guess 500. Oh, let me prolong that one. 1000. Yes, 1000. And then, oh, wait. Hmm. We can change that later on. I guess we can pick for 100 here. That should do it. And for here, I'm just gonna copy from above. Hmm. I think this should do it. So let's try it. Let's try. Oh, I forgot. Always don't forget to put semicolon. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. There we go. So this is a sample of a piezo. This is a sample of a piezo. Hmm, I guess that's it. Let's first stop because I think it's too much noise. Let's change it to 500. Here, let's change the delay for 500. This one, let's change to, okay, 700. And then 700 for the bottom. Change the values here. Change this to 2. Change that to 6. I think it should do. So upon changing the values, as you have noticed by listening, um, the what you call this, the tone changes. So here, always remember here for the first number, it is the pin here. Then for next is for the delay, and next is for I think the points, in which it will change the tune for the tone. So that's all. We can disregard this one. Also for this one. Okay, let's start the simulation once again. There we go. So as you can see, it is functionable. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned well from my video and see you next time. Peace out.